Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Wednesday, August 24th. First day back. We had Monday and Tuesday off, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the market, we had 6 opportunities. We had a power play, 2 power plays. Uh, 4 understanding trades and 2 power plays, and I'll let you guys know what we did today. Today, from left to right in gold, we had a power play short, and that was at 9:12 Central Standard Time, 13:33. That one went up to 20 ticks, which was our target. Hit to the tick. Actually, went over a couple ticks, and we had the crude news coming up, so that was about all that one made. We did try a long then in gold as well at 13:37. 13:30.7 at 9:51 Central Standard Time. The thing churned around, didn't go anywhere, and it was just taking too long. So I told everybody to get out of break even right here. And that was just a scratch trade. Actually would have worked if we stayed in it, but that was after the room closed anyway. We were going to try to get into an ES trade there. So that was a scratch on that second trade there. Nice first one. Crude, we had an understanding trade long 47.43. That one made 20 ticks. Again, our target, first major target area. That was easily filled. It just basically went flat there, but it hit the target 3 times. Would have filled anybody there. Now, what ended up happening is we had an interesting event here where we had a failure here in the market. And when news came out, I told everybody we have a short actually in the market around 57, but it was right before the news came out. So I wanted to wait for confirmation, gave everybody an opportunity to get short. When the news came out, I told everybody when the news came out, if the market got down to 29, we were probably going to see the low of the day in at least into the mid 80s, 46.80 area. That's exactly what happened. We got short on a sell stop for those who could trade during the news, and that was a beautiful trade. That was our trade of the day, for those who could take it, that was beautiful for up to the thing went actually down to our 80 area, and then it went to 57, and that was a nice area, nice spot there to take profit. Almost a 70 penny trade for this target. Those who had less contracts would have taken a profit around here, and then down to around the 80. So 20 is about 47 pennies to 50 pennies, and then up to 70 for those who had more contracts who could hold and who traded during the news. We don't call them all the time during the news, but when we see something set up nicely, I will give people the option to take those. In the crude, we were in a long here. We had an RS short that I called at 84. We did not take it because we were in the crude. That would have worked out very nicely, as you see. But we were not in that because we were in the long. That went to profits much quicker, and we didn't have to sit in it. And then in the ES, we tried to get long on an understanding trade at 2081. Here, where this arrow was, we added it to 2079. We easily were able to get out of the trade at a break even. And then I had to leave. You'll see the time it was 11 o'clock. I told everybody that this was a valid trade still. If you wanted to still take it, it was basically the same trade. So those who've been with me for a while who know how to manage those, we were looking for 83. We were only looking for 2 points. I told everybody that I was going to have a problem getting above the 83. It did make 2 points to the tick from the 81s, filled at 83.25 over here. And so far that's been about the high as it then curled back down, and that's all it did. So for those who were able to take that trade, again, that was another 2-point opportunity in the ES. So we're going to come back and we're going to do it again tomorrow, guys. Great day in the room. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 opportunities, 4 winners, and 2 break evens. And we will see you guys back tomorrow.